Hey, hello, happy new year, even though it's almost February, but this is my first vlog of 2025 and we need to start off with travel content. It's been a while since I've flown. I didn't fly throughout my pregnancy and baby number 2 has joined us. There will be a whole other post about that, but today we're talking travel. So it will be a while until I go back to my full-time flying job, but before I can start flying again, I need to make sure that I am current on my safety training. So I've partnered with EPICKA. They sent me these fabulous packing cubes and I put my entire wardrobe into all of them to get organized. So I leave for current in a couple of weeks. My company likes to send us to different destinations to do it. I did one here at home. I've gone to Savannah, to California, but this year I'm gonna try the Dallas training facility. So I've gotten all packed up with these cubes. I feel super organized and ready to go. And this is what I need in my life now that I'm juggling a career as a flight attendant and 2 children. I showed you that huge pile I have on my bed. Like I said, it's been a while since I've traveled. I am overpacking for a quick training, but everything that I need and want and everything that I don't need, all my extras fit in these cubes. This will pack in my suitcase so nicely, and when I get to the hotel, it's gonna be so easy to offload everything and have everything, every wardrobe staple that I need right there for me. So once again, I do wanna thank EPICKA for sending me these incredible packing cubes. As I mentioned, currently my life is a little bit chaotic, juggling the 2 kids and full-time work and just trying to be on top of everything. This organization is gonna help. And I mentioned, again, it's the new year, even though it's almost February. We all have our resolutions to get our lives in order, and this is just helping me so much, and I know it can help you too. So thanks again to EPICKA. Thank you all for watching. I feel so happy to be back, and I look forward to chatting with you in the new year.